Hi, welcome to this new tutorial on Excel shortcut keys. The first shortcut key in this tutorial is Control Shift Cap symbol. Control Shift Cap symbol applies exponential number format with two decimal places. Right, now I have 10,000 here. When I use the shortcut Control Shift Cap, okay, Control Shift Cap on this cell, I can see 1.00. E means exponential format plus 0. That means 1.00 into 10 power 4. We can translate it or we can calculate it as 1.00 into 10 power 4. What is 10 power 4? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000. So we got the value in the exponential format. Suppose take the second one. Okay. Now take the second shortcut, Control Shift underscore. Now I have outlines for this cell. If I use the shortcut Control Shift underscore, the outlines will be removed. You can see this outline is removed by using the shortcut Control Shift underscore. Control Shift negation symbol applies general number format. Now this is in currency format. This is in rupees 10,000 format. Now I am using the shortcut Control Shift negation. Automatically what happened? The previously used currency format changed to general number format. Control Shift double quotes copies the value from the cell above to the active cell downside. Okay, just like Control Shift. Okay, Control colon and Control Shift. These two are same. Okay. Control single quote or Control Shift double quotes both will act as same, and the value in the top cell will be copied to the downside. What is the shortcut? Control Shift plus. Whether to shift cells, entire row to be inserted, entire column to be inserted, insert columns and rows and cells dialog box will be displayed by using the shortcut Control Shift and plus. Okay, it's not plus plus, it is Control plus Shift, and by holding Control and Shift we have to click on plus also. Control plus Shift plus O. Select all the cells that contain comments. We don't have any cells with comment. So what is displayed here? No cells for form. As cells are without comments, we got that as answer. That is Control Shift O shortcut. Now coming to the next one, Control Shift U. Switches between expanding and collapsing of formula bar. Okay, Control Shift U. We can see expansion and collapsing of formula bar by using the shortcut Control Shift U. Okay. The next shortcut is Control Shift Z. It uses redo or undo command to reverse or restore the last automatic correction when autocorrect smart tags are displayed. When autocorrect smart tags are displayed, we can use Control Shift Z for autocorrection by using undo and redo command. Alt Control single quote will copy the value from the top cell. Alt single quote will open styles dialog box. Okay. Alt single quote will open styles dialog box. Next one. Control copies formula from the cell above or copies the value from cell above. We already saw that. Control minus displays the delete dialog box. What to be deleted? Okay. When I use the shortcut Control minus, what to be deleted will be displayed. Delete dialog box will be displayed. Okay. Next, Control plus semicolon enters the current date. We already saw this shortcut, control plus, then the date will be entered. Okay, in this manner, we can use different shortcuts of Excel. Thank you.